What's up guys, Rich here from richniche.com. One of the most common questions I get as a digital marketing consultant and as a freelance marketer is how do I get more clients? And I hear that a lot. How do I get my first client? How do I get more clients? How do I get more consistent clients? So today I'm just going to riff on this a bit, and I want to draw your attention that there's really two big groups of clients as a digital marketer that you need to focus on. There's one group that's designed to help you advance in your own career. Each project should have a challenging nature to it. Maybe you've never done it before. Maybe you're trying something new. Maybe it's a bigger scope than you're used to. These projects may or may not be paid. Your reason for doing this work is not simply to be paid your highest rate. Because digital marketing is such an experiential based profession, the more you've seen for your own eyes, the more certain you are of what you offer. So many marketers are offering things they've never had success with or that they've never actually done before, because there are so many aspects to marketing, and it's very real that you haven't done a paid project on all of them. I totally get that. But still, it's not the greatest position to be in when you want to get paid, but you've never even done it before. Let's say to set up a new Instagram account. Maybe you've only done Facebook, but you know you could definitely do it and you could start posting, but you've never really done it for yourself. You could definitely do that, and I would understand that. Or maybe it's setting up a LinkedIn profile, or maybe it's building a new lead magnet. Whatever it is, there's lots of tasks out there that maybe you haven't done yet, but you could definitely do. But my point is simply that you must do projects that are designed to advance your skill set. And you need to look for the right type of client for this situation, right? Because in these situations, you don't necessarily need a niche, because you're not really trying to attract a specific group of people to offer something to them. It's more like, who do I work with and who do I partner with so that I can grow as a marketer? Because we need projects to apply our learnings and our skills on. So I've taken lots of unique clients below market rate so that I could get access to the project, but that would never make up the bulk of your work. But if you're going to get clients like this, you're allowed to reach higher. You're allowed to go after clients that are maybe beyond your capability or beyond your skill level, because you know you're willing to work for free or work for less. So you really get to laser target. You should go after your ideal clients. And I think that when you begin to separate these two groups of clients, it makes it easier when you know what's your goal. Like, I really want to work with this brand. They're definitely a bit out of my range, so I'm going to offer them to do some content for free, or I'm going to offer to rewrite some copy for them for free. And then there's the other group of clients, the ones you want to get paid for, and you want to be paid more and more and more, and you want to raise your price, and you want to get full value for your time. These are completely different. In this case, if you want to get paid full value, you need to be the expert, right? You need to come in with the leveraged authority. They need to be demanding you. So in this area of these types of clients, you need to really know what is your experience level and where can you claim some expertise. How can you draw in people that would pay for your services? And I think it's important to recognize that this is one of the big differentiating factors, is these clients should already value marketing and marketing activities. They should already be doing advertising. They should already have a marketing budget. And the reason they're going to hire you is because they'd like to move their money from traditional methods into more digital marketing methods. Maybe they want to develop a funnel. Maybe they want to generate massive awareness on YouTube or TikTok. Maybe they want to get into some digital products so that they can bring their cost of acquisition down with a self-liquidating tripwire offer. These are all digital marketing activities you could be doing for them, but they already have money. Whereas that first group of clients, maybe actually they're not in the place to have a budget for marketing yet. Maybe they're a startup, maybe they're a local business, maybe they're a family or friend who's trying to launch something new. Those are where you go test, have fun, challenge yourself. But in the paid arena, you're trying to attract people to your very specific offer, your offer that contains your signature process, your offer that you've done time and time again that you can do with ease. So if you aren't attracting a lot of those clients, make sure you're first going to attract your experiential clients where you're willing to trade your time for the experience. Let that experience solidify what you know, learn from it, then go create an offer and package it to people. So it's like you have your learning grounds, you package what you learned, and then you make that your offer. Because how else are you going to do it? Are you going to continually offer things you've never done? Are you going to continually wait for a big client to come into your lap and give you a challenging project? People are much more likely to hire you in sort of a smaller role, let you prove yourself. You want to maintain your authority. You want to get paid more, right? You want to increase your hourly rate or your deliverable rate. They have to demand you. That's why it's so valuable to go to that first set of clients, try something different, tell them you want to build out their LinkedIn or their TikTok, one of the newer content platforms. Tell them you want to create something that's never been done in their niche. Maybe it's a full-on digital product funnel, right? There's so many ways to go and give value to people who don't necessarily have the budget, but would be willing to take you on where you're trading that time for experience. I hope that helps. I hope that gives you at least a frame of mind of when should I work for free and when should I not work for free? What position am I in when I'm working for free? It's very different from when you're trying to get paid and respected for the work you do. All right, guys, hope that helps on helping you get a few more clients in the books. But remember, this is really a relationship game. So put a lot of value on maintaining relationships. Understand the power of networking, the power of telling people what it is you love and are good at. They can pass that on. Until you tell them, they're never going to know what to say about you. So make it clear what that unique selling proposition you have is, what kind of digital marketing specialties you have. Let people know. That's going to amplify that word of mouth effect, which is so critical in this. And that's another thing when you do those smaller clients, or at least those more risky clients, or more challenging clients, they may become the word of mouth seeds for those other people, right? So once you're established in that niche because you did that project, that person may invite other people in that niche, or maybe because you did that project for free, maybe you put in your tag on their website in exchange, you get a link back, and maybe people see your link at the bottom of that project and they come inquiring, hey, I saw what you did for that company, we'd like the same. What are the rates for that? Right? All right, guys, that's enough for today. See you next time.